mango tender coconut milkshake or banana mango tender coconut smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the beverage recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the banana recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tender coconut recipes and one of the most delicious of the coconut recipes and one of the most different of the mango recipes and one of the most unique of the mango smoothie recipes. Today we're going to make banana mango tender coconut ice cream shake. We've taken around one banana which we have peeled. The banana into pieces. Put in the banana pieces into the jar. Pour in 300 ml of milk into the mixer grinder jar. Now pour in mango ice cream. If you have fresh mango pieces, you can put them in. Since we do not have them, we are putting in the mango ice cream. Put in the tender coconut pieces with the ice cream. If you have fresh tender coconut, you can put it in. Close and mix and grind well. Pour the ground shake into the glass. This is the final banana mango tender coconut milkshake. This can be ranked. This is the final banana mango tender coconut milkshake. one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the ice cream shake recipes and one of the most delicious of the mango recipes and one of the most tastiest of the banana recipes and one of the most unique of the tender coconut recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.